So hello all, greetings for the day. I am Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator at Unacademy, teaching class 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. For class 8, 9 and 10 I take care of mathematics. For class 9 and 10 I do take care of maths along with physics, and from next month onwards I'll be also teaching biology on the portal. And for class 11 and 12 I take care of economics on the portal. Those who all don't know me, just introducing myself to you all. I am Vinay Bajaj, living in Mumbai, having a teaching experience of more than 6 years. That is, this is my 7th year. I've completed my bachelor's in accounting and finance, and have also completed my master's from Mumbai University. As well, the journey at Unacademy has been amazingly well, and here I am for you all on YT for Unacademy class 9 and 10. But this lecture is particularly very helpful for all my class 10 learners. As you all can see on the screen, the topic is polynomials. Now we are not here to solve basic random sums, but yes, just like I told you in my previous videos that we are going to launch this particular series, that is a previous year question series. We have already covered trigonometry questions. We have already covered a few trigonometry questions, not all. That is the part 1. Then a few from linear equations. That was the part 2. Part 1 of linear equations. Then part 1 of surface area volumes. And now we have come up with polynomials. Alright. So yes, I am sure you guys have enjoyed, and with a good response in the previous videos of this PYQ series. I hope this turns out to be amazing, but rather than very helpful to you all. If you really like this and find this useful, you can share it amongst your friends, your contacts, so that it reaches to more and more people. And sabka saath sabka vikas, it's just the same thing. And तो चलो फिर देरी किस बात की है, बस आगे बढ़ने से पहले जय माता दी. अरे नहीं यार राजा, ये बैच है प्राइम बैच which has started on 14th September, and let me tell you, I'll brief you all about this batch towards the end. So yes, this is the timetable along with the educator's name. We'll be talking about this particular thing towards the end of the session, guys. Okay, towards the end of the session I'll be talking about this. So those who are not ready with their notebooks and pen pencil, you know what the drill is. You have 30 seconds, quickly rush and get your notebooks along. Come on, quickly rush and get your e-notebooks along. E-notebooks? No, notebooks. So are you guys ready? Before starting, just would like to tell you all, those who really wish to subscribe Unacademy, still it's not late at all, because we always come up with new batches for you all. Subscribe using my referral code public. You can use VB19, Vinay Bajaj 19, that is VB19, or you can use Vinay Sir Live. Both the codes are applicable. Vinay Sir Live or VB19. Short and sweet, VB19, Vinay Sir Live. Absolutely will be absolutely fine for me. Anyone which you use is okay, but do use for sure whenever you are subscribing. Now what is the benefit of using this is you get a 10% discount on my referral code. You can share this also amongst your friends. So whoever takes will get a 10% discount. So chalo fir. I hope everyone is ready to start with. Again, this is part 1 of the chapter. If we manage to finish all the sums, then great. If not, then we'll have the part 2. वो तो आपको नाम से पता चल जाएगा if we have finished or not. So this question was asked to you in the year CBSE 2020. Always we are starting with 2020. Chalo. So I'll be writing the question for you all. Form a quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. 1 mark question, okay guys? So now let me change the ink. So solution, we all know that x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now alpha plus beta is equal to -3 and alpha beta is equal to 2. This is given. This is the sum, this is the product. So now if I substitute it in this equation, changing the color again, I will get x square minus bracket open -3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x cube plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So which is the polynomial required, guys? The polynomial required is this is my final answer. So therefore the quadratic polynomial is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. My final concluding statement. I hope everyone is pretty clear with it, everyone, because this x square minus alpha plus beta, x plus alpha beta is equal to 0 is nothing but the general form how we get a quadratic polynomial. We need the sum of zeros in between when we split the term, and in the last we have first term into the third term, so alpha beta, the product towards the end. I give you 30 seconds, quickly see on the screen how it is done. This is a 1 mark sum. You have secured 1 mark from polynomials from this year's paper, that is 2020. Previously, just as we conducted trigonometry session, now trigonometry may be secured almost 12 to 13 marks in 2020's paper without solving the 4 mark questions as of now. And here we have secured 1 mark, and let's see how many marks more we are going to secure from polynomials. And I must tell you again that because of a reduction in the syllabus, the weightage for each and every chapter might increase proportionately, and according to me polynomials is one chapter jiska weightage badhega, because division algorithm is removed, which was one of the most important part of this chapter. No problem, remaining things they will be asked. Let's see what kind of questions have been previously asked apart from division algorithm. Chalo आगे बढ़ते हैं. The next question is from CBSE 2019. CBSE 2019. Find the value of k for which the roots of the equation (3x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0) are reciprocal of each other. Now when we talk about find the value of k for which the roots of the equation 3x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0 are reciprocal of each other, what do we mean by this? It is a very simple question. अगर एक root, if one root is alpha, I'll just change the color of my ink. So solution, let the roots be alpha and other one is reciprocal, so 1 upon alpha. So now the product, and here I will solve the sum. So product क्या हो जाएगा public, it will be alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, and this is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. I hope everyone is clear. Now what is a? A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to k. So alpha into beta will give me alpha into 1 upon alpha is equal to k upon 3. So we'll get 3 is equal to k. खत्म हो गया सम तो सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. My sum is finished. We get the value of k as 3. We get the value of k as 3. Is it very clear to everyone? So we need not do the sum. Very clear to everyone? So we'll write our concluding statement that therefore value of k is equal to 3. I give you 30 seconds again. Just quickly browse through how the sum is done. Find the value of k for which the roots of the equation x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0 are reciprocal of each other. So if one root, for example, I say is 2, then the other root will be 1 upon 2. Likewise, if one root is alpha, then the other root will be 1 upon alpha. Now by roots we mean nothing but as zeros. ठीक है, तो चलो फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move forward. Okay. The next question on your screen. Now this is a hot question. Hot question मतलब गरम question नहीं है. High order thinking skills. For 1 mark only. But if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, are the zeros of the polynomial, p of x is equal to k minus 1 x square minus kx plus 1 is minus 3 if alpha and beta are the zeros of, oh sorry, I just wrote another question. I was thinking कि ये question में कैसे हो सकता है ये. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 2x minus 3. Find the value of of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Solve guys. Simple question. Start solving. I know everyone knows. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to, ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा minus b upon a. Extremely sorry, I should differentiate between the colors, so I'll just erase this and write it with whiting this time. So solution. Now a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 3. We know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 upon 4, which is nothing but 1 upon 2. And we know that alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So we will get alpha beta is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now solving this particular thing here and taking the LCM, we get beta plus alpha the whole upon alpha beta. So now alpha beta या beta alpha, alpha plus beta या beta plus alpha, वो बात तो एक ही है. So we will get 1 upon 2 the whole upon minus 3 by 4. So you get 2 upon minus 3, which is nothing but minus 2 by. Is everyone very clear with it? Very clear. So the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equal to minus 2 by 3. I give you 30 seconds again, then I'll give you a short recap of the sum and we move forward. Chalo, karo. Shabash, India. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by 4. Substituting the value, वो minus 2 है और b का भी minus है, so it is 2 by 4. And then we get 1 upon 2. Same ways we found out alpha beta and then solve for 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We took LCM, so we get beta plus alpha the whole upon alpha beta. Beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta is one and the same. Substituting the values 1 by 2 the whole upon minus 3 by 4, you will get 2 by minus 3, which is nothing but minus 2 by 3. Everyone is pretty clear with it? Pretty clear? Come on, quickly. Chalo. So let's move on to the next question on your e-screens. Again, it is a HOTS question. So, if the product of two zeros, if the product of two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 4x plus 9 is 3. Find the third zero. Now this is not a sum of cubic polynomial, this is a sum of quadratic polynomial का sum नहीं है, this is a sum of cubic polynomial. So let me change the color of my ink and solution. This time we do it with red. Let the zeros of the given polynomial be alpha, beta and gamma respectively. So the product is alpha, beta, gamma is equal to they have given the product as 3. But we know that the product is nothing but minus d by a. So now alpha beta ka value, this is alpha beta, the product of two zeros is 3. So can I write 3 into gamma is equal to minus 9 upon 2. So gamma is equal to minus 9 upon 6, which is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So therefore the third zero of the given polynomial p of x is equal to minus 3 by. Did everyone understand the sum? Now these can be asked to you for 1 mark. HOTS questions, such type of questions should not take more time. I did it very slowly so that you understand each and every step. I hope everyone is clear. Again, 30 seconds given to you and then we move forward. Okays. Chalo, let's move forward now. Again, it will be a HOTS question. Sure. If one of the zeros, if one of the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to bracket open k minus 1 x square minus kx plus 1 is minus 3 full stop. Find the minus 3 comma, find the value of k. Chalo फिर let's start the solution. Now one of the zeros is given of the given. So what can I do? P of x is equal to k minus 1 x square minus k x plus 1. Substitute the value. So you get p of minus 3 is equal to k minus 1 minus 3 the whole square minus k minus 3 plus 1. Since it is a 0, can I write 0 is equal to k minus 1 the whole into 9 plus 3k plus 1. So you get 0 is equal to 9k minus 9 plus 3k plus 1. So you get 0 is equal to 12k minus 8. Solving this here we get 8 is equal to 12k, and therefore k is equal to 8 upon 12, which is nothing but 2 by 3. So therefore the value of k is equal to 2 by 3. Did everyone understand the sum? Nothing done here, a 1 mark simple sum. If 1 0 is given to us, so I will substitute that in place of x everywhere, and if it is a 0, that means the given polynomial will be equal to 0, as I have done on the screen. Again I give you 30 seconds, quickly browse through the sum and then we move forward. Alrighties, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं to the next question. Again we'll have a HOTS question first. चलो, if alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square minus 1 is equal to 0, then show that alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with it now. In this given equation, that is x square minus 1 is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to 0. The value of c is equal to minus 1. Now how b is 0, I will explain you all. X square minus 0 into x minus 1. So यहाँ पे a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, C is equal to minus 1. Now, we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A, which is nothing but minus bracket open 0 upon 1, which is nothing but 0. ये हमें पता है. अब solving this here, we will get the RHS here. Okay, this was the LHS. Let's do the RHS here. So we get beta plus alpha, the whole upon alpha beta. So now is equal to alpha plus beta is nothing but 0 upon, this will be C upon A, so you will get minus 1 upon 1. So again you will get 0. So you're getting 0 and 0. So can I say, therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, hence proved. Did everyone understand the sum? What I've tried to do is simply alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Okay, be the roots of the equation. Find out the value of A, find out the value of B, find out the value of C, and then we have x square minus, this is not important for you guys to do it. This is not important for you guys to do it just for understanding purposes. Just for understanding purposes कि B 0 आया तो आया कहाँ से. Then you have alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A, and you know that 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is nothing but beta plus alpha the whole upon alpha beta. Now again for your understanding, alpha beta is nothing but C by A. So C is minus 1, A is 1. So again anything divided with 0, you will get 0 divided with anyone, you will get the answer as 0. तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं मेरी प्यारी जनता. ओके, अब करते हैं हम CBSE 2019 3 mark questions now. CBSE 2019 का 3 mark में क्वेश्चन पूछा था ये. चलो, सो नाउ find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial sum and product of whose zeros are minus 1 and minus 20 respectively. Also find the zeros. Find the zeros of the polynomial so formed. Polynomial so formed. 3 mark question. Okay, I hope everyone has started doing it on their own already. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं solution now. The sum of zeros is given to us as alpha beta is equal to minus 1, and the product is given to us as alpha beta is equal to minus 20. Now we know that x square minus the sum of zeros into x plus the product of zeros is equal to 0. So here we have x square minus bracket open minus 1 x plus bracket open minus 20. So you get x square minus x, sorry, plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is my quadratic poly. So this is nothing but my quadratic poly. Did everyone understand? Now what we'll do, splitting of the middle term. Solving this here, we will get splitting of the middle term. I'll use green color to do it. X square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. So you will get x common, x plus 5 minus 4 common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So या तो x plus 5 is equal to 0 या तो x minus 4 is equal to 0. तो या तो x is equal to 5 या तो x is equal to, sorry, minus 5 या तो x is equal to 4. So these are the two values. These are the two zeros. So my my given quadrilateral, I'm writing the answer here, final answer. So x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but my quadratic polynomial obtained, and the zeros are minus 5 and 4 zeros of the resulting polynomial, that is this one. Is everyone pretty clear how the sum is to be done? Find the quadratic polynomial, sum and product of whose zeros are minus 1 and minus 20 respectively. Also find the zeros of the polynomial so formed. तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on to the next question. 10-15 seconds more on this slide. Those who want to take a screenshot can take it definitely. Taken. चलो बढ़िया है. Let's move on to the next one. So this was asked to you in CBSE 2020. Chalo. Find a quadratic polynomial. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, c is not equal to 0. तो चलो, majority students might have started it, I know. Let's crack it. Solution. Now again, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a. So now alpha plus beta, अगर मैं इसको उल्टा कर दूं 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta कर दूं, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? alpha plus beta the whole upon alpha beta हो जाएगा, which is nothing but minus b by a the whole upon c by a. a कट गया तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा? minus b upon c, and now the product of their reciprocals. So product of the reciprocals, I am doing it in yellow color, sorry, not yellow, we'll do it in light green color. So 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta is equal to 1 upon alpha beta. Now 1 upon alpha beta is nothing but c upon a. solving this here, because you will not be able to see what is written behind me, I will get a by c. रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, उल्टा ऊपर जाएगा तो डिनोमिनेटर का फ्रैक्शन ऊपर जाएगा, तो इट विल गेट रेसिप्रोकल, इट विल रेसिप्रोकेट इटसेल्फ. आफ्टर रेसिप्रोकेट वी गेट a upon c. So now my final answer is, what will be my final answer, guys? I just have to frame an equation here. So can I write x square minus b by c into x plus a by c is equal to 0. So what will I get? X square plus b by c x plus a by c. Taking the LCM we get cx square plus bx plus a, और ये जो डिनोमिनेटर में c था वो क्या हो जाएगा, 0 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. So my resulting polynomial will be, this will be my resulting polynomial. Yes, public. This will be my resulting polynomial. Cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is c upon a. Now 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta will be alpha plus beta, or beta plus alpha, the whole upon alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b upon a, and alpha beta is nothing but c upon a cut gaya, we get minus b by c. Similarly, when we find the product of the reciprocals, alpha beta हमें पता है c upon a होता है, 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta, so 1 upon alpha beta के बदले c upon a लिख दिया. अब वो सब्सटीट्यूट करने के बाद हमें मिला a upon c. After that, x square minus the product or the sum of the zeros into x plus the product of the zeros is basic general equation. So now instead of the sum of the products, we have substituted minus b by c. Minus into minus will give me plus b by cx, okay. And instead of alpha beta, that is the product of the zeros, we have substituted a upon c. So then we have taken the LCM, and जो denominator में कम तीनों ऊपर numerators का जो c आया है वो right hand side जाके 0 से multiply हो जाएगा, because here it was the denominator. So when it goes across the borders, that is across the is equal to, it will get multiplied. So 0 into c will give you 0. So what you get is cx square plus bx plus a is equal to 0. So I hope everyone is clear. The slide is there with you all for 30 seconds more, and you guys can take a screenshot or whatever you want. Quickly make a note of the same. चलो चले नीले गगन को, ओ आगे बढ़े हम अगले प्रश्न पर. चलो. So now let's move forward. I hope everyone is pretty clear with it. So chalo, if the zeros, again a HOTS question we'll do first. So the question is, if the zeros of the polynomial, if the zeros of the polynomial x square plus px plus q are double the value to the zeros of 2x square minus 5x minus 3, then find the value of p and q. Is everyone clear? Find the values of p and q. तो चलो पहले let's change the color and let us take into consideration the equation which is given completely, that is 2x square minus 5x minus 3. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. So now value of A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to minus 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. So you get 5 by 2. Alpha beta is C upon A. So you get minus 3 by 2. Now the zeros of the next polynomial, that is x square plus p of x plus q, are double. Matlab we will have 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to minus p, is equal to minus p, or 2 bracket open 2 bracket open alpha plus beta is equal to, you will get minus p. Ab, you know the value of alpha beta? Yes. So 2 bracket open 5 by 2 is equal to minus p. So therefore p is equal to minus 5. You get the value of p as minus 5. Now twice alpha beta is equal to q. So 2 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to q. Therefore q is equal to minus 3. Oh, twice. So 2 into minus 3 by 4 is double, na? So they are double. That is, oh sorry, my bad. So I'll just write it correctly. 2 into alpha into 2 beta. So we get 2 alpha, 2 common, so 2 common nahi, 2 2s are 4 हो जाएगा. So we will get 4 into alpha beta. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 2, so minus 6. Therefore P's value is minus 5 and Q's value is minus 6. I hope everyone is pretty clear till here. So now this was the first step, then we did this and then this. So now first we took this equation, found out the two zeros, and then using the equation for which we have to find the values of p and q, double zeros, double the zeros मतलब alpha में भी 2 plus multiply हो जाएगा, beta में भी 2 multiply हो जाएगा. So we get p's value, and then for q's value we have to take the product. So twice of alpha into twice of beta, 2 2s are 4, 4 into alpha beta will give you the value of q. So chalo, I give you 30 seconds to just see what is there on the screen, and then we move forward. Chalo, so let's move forward now. Next question on your screens. So now this is a question to you, asked to you in CBSE 2019. That is, find the value of k such that the polynomial square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 bracket open 2k minus 1 has the sum of its zeros equal to half of their product. Okay. So 3-mark question asked to you in 2019. Let's take the color solution. What you have to do is, the given polynomial is p of x is equal to x square minus k plus 6x plus 2 bracket open 2k minus 1. This is given to you. Can I say the value of a is equal to 1, the value of b is equal to minus bracket open k plus 6, the value of c is equal to 2 bracket open 2k minus 1. Now the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a. So we will get minus bracket open minus k plus 6 the whole divide by 1. So we get k plus 6, and when we find out alpha into beta, we get c upon a, which is nothing but 2 bracket open 2k minus 1. Is everyone clear till here? C by a is 2 bracket open. Now the sum of its zeros is equal to the half of their product. So according to the given condition, according to the given condition, the sum of the zeros is equal to half of their product. That is nothing but alpha plus beta is equal to half alpha beta. So alpha plus beta कितना है? K by 6, sorry, k plus 6 is equal to 2 bracket open 2k minus 1. Okay, now so k plus 6 is equal to 4k minus 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 4k minus k. Is it very clear to everyone? Yes or no? Oh, sorry, I did not write half. So ye 2 cut, my mistake. So we will rectified. So k minus 1, and here we get 2k minus 1, और यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा और 2k. Therefore k is equal to 7. So now just a small error, I forgot to put the half. No worries, 2 cut हो गया. So we get 2k minus 1 is equal to k plus 6. K comes here, 1 goes there, so the signs interchange. So we get 7 is equal to k. So quickly browse through the whole sum and then we move forward. 2019, a good question. चलो अब हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो करेंगे वो धमाकेदार क्वेश्चंस होंगे. चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम श्योर दैट एवरीवन इज डन. इट इज अ हॉट क्वेश्चन. हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स कहाँ गया सर? अरे लगा देते हैं हॉट्स. चलो सो फाइंड अ 3-mark hot or quadratic polynomial find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and -3, full stop. Verify the relation between the coefficients and the zeros of the polynomial चलो, सो सॉल्व करते हैं. Zeros are given, so can I say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a? Can I say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, I can say that, but is it required? No. First we'll find out the sum. ठीक है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? We will get 1 plus minus 3, which is nothing but 1 minus 3, which is nothing but minus 2. Then alpha beta is equal to 1 into minus 3, which is nothing but minus 3. So quadratic polynomial क्या हो जाएगा public? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So my quadratic polynomial will be x square minus minus 2x plus minus 3. Solving this here, we get x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Is everyone clear? Everyone clear? Yes. चलो, so यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 1, b का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 2, c का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? -3. So now just verification part is left for this one. So alpha plus beta is equal to, this is the first verification, and here we'll do the second verification. Alpha beta is equal to c upon a, and यहाँ पे minus b upon a. So alpha plus beta, we will get 1 and minus 3 na. So 1 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 1. So we get 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Hence verified. चलो, अब अल्फा बीटा भी देखते हैं. 1 into minus 3 is equal to, what is the value of c? Minus 3 upon 1. So a is 1, c is minus 3. So we get minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. Can I say hence verified both the things? So yes, I can say that both of them are correct zeros, and the chord which I have got is also correct. Just have a quick look on it. Okay, Google, I hope you guys are done. No, not yet. Just quickly browse through it and then we move forward. चलो, next question पे जाते हैं. Okay. Now the next question is, without actually calculating the zeros, it's a very good question, guys. Asked to you in the year CBSE 2020. Without actually calculating the zeros, without actually calculating the zeros, form a quadratic polynomial, form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals, whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of the polynomial 5x square plus 2x minus 3. Chalo, let's solve this question. A simple question. Chalo, very simple one. Now, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. अरे भाई, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 3. So this will come as minus 2 by 5 and this will come as minus 3 by 5. Now we have the zeros. Can I say that they are the reciprocals? They are the reciprocals. So now 1 upon alpha, I'll change the color rather. Alpha plus beta के बदले आ जाएगा 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equal to beta plus alpha the whole upon alpha beta, which is nothing but minus 2 by 5 upon minus 3 by 5. This 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. Minus minus gets cancelled. I'll get 2 by 3. Okay. 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta is equal to 1 upon alpha beta, which is nothing but one upon minus 3 by 5. So we get 5 upon 3 minus 5 by 3. So now we have both of them. Now what is the general form of equation, guys? X square minus the sum of the zeros into x plus the product of the zeros, that is nothing but x square minus, we get, what is the sum of the zeros, guys? 2 by 3 2 by 3x plus bracket open minus 3 by 5 नहीं 5 by 3 है, yes 5 by 3 है, minus 5 by 3. So what is the final answer? That is, we can say x square minus 2 by 3x minus 5 by 3x minus 5 by 3. Now can I say 3x square minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0? So this is my final answer. Quickly browse through the sum and then we move forward. Quickly browse through the sum. Without actually calculating the zeros, form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are reciprocals of the zeros of the polynomial so and so. First we found out the zeros of the polynomial which is given to us. After finding them, we reciprocate them, use the values which we have for the previous polynomial which is already given in the question. From that we use them and we find out the value of the quadratic polynomial. So chalo, let's move forward to the last question for the day. It is a HOTS question. chalo, if one root, if hot question for 3 mark, if one root of the equation 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0 is 7 times the other full comma, find the two roots and the value of k, and the value of k. Solution. One root is the 7, so let the roots be. If one is alpha, the other one will be 7 times, matlab 7 alpha. So now alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus 7 alpha is equal to 8 alpha is equal to 8 alpha. Okay, is everyone clear? Sure. And alpha into beta will be 7 alpha square. Here till here, is everyone clear? चलो अब ये इक्वेशन को लो, a का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 3, b का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे -8, c का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 2k plus 1. Substitute it instead of this. Now 8 alpha will give me 8 by 3, that is upon 3, and here it will give me 2k plus 1 the whole upon 3. So 8 alpha is equal to 8 upon 3, 7 alpha square is equal to 2k plus 1. So this is my equation 1, this is my equation 2. So can I write from 1 we get alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Very clear? So and now 1 by 3, if this is 1 by 3, so 7 alpha क्या हो जाएगा 7 upon 3. So this and this are my zeros. Let us frame the quadratic quadri polynomial. We have to find the value of k, right? So what we will do is I'll just add a slide. By mistakenly I removed the whole sum, guys, sorry, but I am sure you might pause the recording and you can see it. Okay, so the final step which we have here is, that is, what we can do is, now I will have to see the question again. Okay, 7 times 1 by 3 the whole square is equal to, that is 7 alpha square is equal to 2k plus 1 the whole upon 3. So we get 7 upon 9 is equal to 2k plus 1 the whole upon 3. So we will get 7 upon 3 is equal to 2k plus 1 up 2k plus 1. So we get 7 is equal to 6k plus 3. Therefore k is equal to, I am solving this here, 4 by 6, that is nothing but 2 by 3. So we get the value of k is equal to 2 by 3. This is my final answer. So extremely sorry, I just erased what we did, but you will have it on the YT for you all for sure. And so guys, this was the end of the session, and as I told you all, we'll be doing such previous year videos for you all. And The Prime batch is coming up for you all. Sorry, it has already come. This has started from 14th September. (2020). This will go up to 30th January 2021. We celebrate the New Year's together. The duration is 4.5 months. Pretty good. 60 sessions, that is 60 hours, and I will be covering the whole syllabus. Class 9 for class 9 individually and for class 10 individually. Matlab 60 for class 9, 60 for class 10. We'll be preparing you for your finals, that is CBSE. What you have to do is just use my referral code. You can either use VB19 or you can use Vinay Sir Live, or you can use Vinay Sir Live. ये भी use कर सकते हो for a 10% discount. Let's talk about the 9th batch. You will have Hardik Kheradia sir who will be taking care of SST, Anika Seth ma'am who will be taking care of French, Bhavna Bisht ma'am who will be taking care of Science, Utkarsh Pandey sir will be taking care of Hindi, Vinay Bajaj, that is myself, will be taking care of Mathematics, and Sandeep Dubey sir for English. Now this batch is in English as well as in Hindi. For Hindi you have different set of educators. You can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe and get a 10% discount on your chosen, sorry. Then 14th September to 30th January, the timetable is there in front of you guys. You can easily clearly see that it is systematically designed and informed to you well in advance that English, Math, Science on MWF and SST, French and Hindi on TTS. MWF stands for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. TTS stands for Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So daily 3 hours on Unacademy till Saturday will completely prepare you for your final exams. Now these are only not live sessions conducted. We will also be conducting quizzes for you all that will make sure that you test whatever throughout the week you have learned with us, you have understood with us. The quiz will be with respect to those concepts only, and you can self-analyze yourself. You get the results within an hour on that portal only. Similarly for class 10, we have Akansha Sharma ma'am who will be taking care of SST. We have Anika Seth ma'am who will be taking care of French. Ajinkya Saluke sir for Science. Again Utkarsh Pandey sir for Hindi. Again myself Vinay Bajaj for Mathematics. So exclusively I will be teaching you all maths for class 9 and class 10, both of the grades. English ke liye you have Vandana ma'am, and again you just have to do one thing, that you have to use my referral code VB19 or Vinay Sir Live and subscribe. Again you can see the timetable that English, Hindi, SST are on MWF, that is Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, and Math, Science and French are on TTS, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. The start date is again the same as that of the 9th batch. Again you can use my referral code and subscribe. One more good news for you all is that, so as I told you, we have crossed 1 million. This is from last 30 days. Number 11 educator amongst the educators. If the learner checks my rankings, I am rank 3 for class 10. Rank 3 for class 10. And rank 2 for class 9 amongst the learners. If learners check my rankings, they will get this rank. Okay. What you have to do is, there is a link in the description. You click that link, follow me on Unacademy to know more about me, to know more about my free classes, to know more about my upcoming courses, my ongoing courses, my completed courses. Each and everything will be visible to you. The website access is very simple. What you have to do is, now one more good news is we have started 6 to 8 also. So class 6 से अब Unacademy शुरू होगा. Again वहाँ पे भी मेरा referral code applicable है. जहाँ भी आपको Unacademy पे सब्सक्राइब करना है, you can use my referral code each and everywhere wherever you want. You will get a 10% discount. कोई भी स्ट्रीम हो, चेस के लिए भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो मेरा कोड यूज करके. विश्वनाथ आनंद सर and the other greats of the game are teaching you personally, coming up and bringing up courses for you all on the paid platform to teach you all chess live. So now the person who is in 6th standard is द मोस्ट बेनिफिशियल पर्सन हियर, बिकॉज अगर आप 60 months, that is 5 year का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो, so you're not even paying 10,000 a year guys. If you're taking 5 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन, this will go down to 4,800 से ये कॉस्ट माइनस हो जाएगी. क्या करना है आपको वो कॉस्ट माइनस करने के लिए? मेरा रेफरल कोड डालना है, प्रोसीड टू पे पे क्लिक करना है. अब ये 48,000 में से मैं अगर 5,000 हटा देता हूँ तो 43 हो जाता है. इसका मतलब ये हो जाएगा 43,200 आफ्टर अ 10% डिस्काउंट. सिमिलरली ये 65 है, सो ये हो जाएगा 58,500. मतलब आप 12 तक के लिए हमारे साथ हो जाओगे. ओके, सो सिर्फ आपने इतना ही करना है कि रेफरल कोड यूज करना है. अब बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है, अगर आप 6th के लिए सब्सक्राइब करते हो तो आपको 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th और 12th सारे क्लासेस अनलॉक हो जाते हैं आपके लिए. सो ये भाई बहन के लिए बहुत अच्छा प्लान है. से फॉर एग्जांपल आपने 2 साल के लिए सब्सक्राइब किया, सपोज 24, और आप 7th स्टैंडर्ड में है समझो, मतलब आपका 7th हमारे साथ हो गया और 8th आपका हमारे साथ हो गया, और समझो आपका भाई या बहन 10th में है, सो उनका 10th और 11th हमारे साथ हो गया. यदि आप हमारे लिए 3 साल का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो आपका 9th तक सॉर्ट हो गया वही सब्सक्रिप्शन में, और आपके भाई की 12th तक की पढ़ाई हो गई अनअकैडमी पे ही. सो एक सब्सक्रिप्शन में भाई बहन siblings can easily take advantage of this system. What you have to do is just if you use my referral code, all these screens will be unlocked. I hope everyone is pretty clear. आपने कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ मेरा रेफरल कोड डालना है और सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है, ठीक है? तो आपके लिए ये सारी चीजें अनलॉक हो जाएगी. आप मेरा रेफरल कोड यूज करोगे तो उससे फायदा मुझे क्या होगा, ये बहुत सारे बच्चों को रहता है, मुझे बेटा पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं जो मेरी रैंकिंग इंप्रूव करते हैं पोर्टल पे. और अगर आप जाते हैं मैं ज़्यादा समय पोर्टल पे आऊँ आप लोगों के लिए आपको पढ़ाने, तो ज़रूर कीजिए. सो this was the end of the session guys. I hope you all enjoyed. You can definitely follow me on Unacademy. Thank you so much for your time guys. God bless you all. Keep sharing this video with your known contacts and friends and family. में फैमिली मतलब बड़ों को नहीं शेयर करो, कुछ मतलब नहीं है, मारेंगे तुमको. जो सिबलिंग्स है, भाई बहन है, जिनका भला हो सकता है उनका भला करो. ऑल राइट, लिंक लाइक दबा देना. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर कौन सा चाहिए कमेंट्स में छोड़ देना. वीडियो पे कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना है तो दे देना. बाय गाइस, जय हिंद, गॉड ब्लेस यू. दिस इज विनय बजाज साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.